I'm Davey Mason from Fathead Solutions, and I'm delighted to demo Invoice Integrator, a GenAI tool that's lightweight, which harnesses the power of Gemini Pro to quickly convert invoices into JSON for further computerized processing. So what's the problem? Well, in today's business world, managing invoices remains a significant bottleneck. On average, accounts payable clerk can only process about 5 manual invoices per hour, which translates roughly to 12 minutes per invoice. Not only is this process time consuming, it's also pretty costly. Businesses without automation can spend between $3 and $16 per invoice on average, depending on the volume of invoice. Our initial prototype was able to handle 50 invoices at a total cost of $0.000004. This was research and development and testing, and getting the prompt right and everything else. So it was pretty cheap, which is good. What's our solution? How did we build this? So the app is built with React in the front end and a Python Flask backend, which is integrated with the Vertex AI Gemini Pro 1.5. The backend Flask serves the front end as well as creating a backend system to handle all the uploaded PDFs. The Gemini Pro extracts and translates the invoice details and returns the result in JSON for this demo, but there are some example use cases at the end. The app is deployed to Google Cloud, and it uses GitHub for version control and build trigger from code build for the CI. So let's have a look at the demo. For the demo, we have a quick look at this invoice. It was generated specifically for this demonstration. We can see that the balance due, the amount paid in the address. I'm going to navigate to my local host here where it's powered up. We have a quick look at the prompt. If you want to pause it at any time, you can have a look. We're going to scroll down here and double click here and find this target of invoice. So here we go. Now I've edited out to make it faster for the video because we don't need to wait here for 60 seconds. But the table lays it out here and you can see the data in JSON, which is nice. The important thing to notice is that it has found the asset identifier and it has the correct value too. So I just want to look at two quick use cases. The first one here is an asset-driven invoice for global transportation. So things like ships and vehicles, trains and trams, and drones, as we saw, they all have assets that need to be tracked individually, and this is really important. And the second one here is high-end medical equipment. So a lot of these hospitals and medical facilities have often deal with expensive, uniquely identifiable medical equipment, which needs to be regularly maintained and updated. Thank you for taking the time to check out my demo for the DevPost Hackathon. I really enjoyed learning so much about this. A lot of new technology I didn't know before. I'm happy and excited to bring this as far as I can. So if you have any ideas or suggestions, then please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks again and best of luck.